In this video, I will walk you through the essential features of Proton Mail to help you decide if this privacy-focused service is right for you. When comparing Proton Mail to traditional providers like Gmail or Outlook, the standout contrast is clearly the emphasis on security versus purely open accessibility. While standard providers focus on ease of integration, Proton prioritizes your data, offering a dedicated newsletter section to declutter your inbox and a side panel for quick access to other encrypted apps. You can also utilize groups to create end-to-end encrypted distribution lists, a feature often missing or complex in other suites. For those who want the latest tools, you can even enable beta access to test new updates before they hit the general public. The trade-off for this security is often a slight learning curve, but the platform makes it intuitive with features like snooze and schedule send. In this side-by-side comparison of functionality, Proton holds its own by including an undo send option and attachment reminders, ensuring you never miss a file. A key differentiator is the encryption status represented by lock icons, which lets you know exactly how secure a specific message is. You can even set messages to expire or send password-protected emails to non-Proton users, ensuring privacy even when your recipient is on a less secure platform. For power users, the ability to use PGP or advanced sieve filters provides a level of customization that beats basic email services. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found these privacy tips helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tech guides. Which Proton feature do you find most useful? Let me know in the comments below.